All right, so now let's convert from a base 10 number to a different base. Let's start with 484 base 10 to base 5. So we have 485. If you like the candy factory analogy, you can say 484 candies, and how are we going to put them in base 5 boxes or B5 boxes? Well, let's look at the place values for base 5. We have 5 to the 0, which would be the ones place. 5 to the first power, which would be the fives place. 5 to the second power, which would be the 25s place. 5 to the third power, which would be the 125s place. And 5 to the fourth power, which would be the 625s place. So you can think of all these different packaging, and we can't use any of size 5 to the 4th or 625 because that's larger than the number we're trying to package of 484. So now we want to look at these boxes that hold 125. And you want to think of, how many boxes of 125 could I package to get close to 484? Well, if we package one box, that's going to be 125. And then if we package another box, that would be another 125. So now we're at 250. If we package a third box holding 125, we are now at 375. We can't package another box because it would be too many candies. That last box wouldn't be full. So we're going to say we could do 3 of these boxes. So if I take 484 and I subtract off 375, which would be those 3 boxes of 125, I would have 109 left that I need to package. So I can't use any more 125 boxes. So now I'm going to take that 109 and see how many boxes of size 25 I can package. Well, I could do one box of 25, another box of 25, a third box of 25, and a fourth box of 25. And that would be a total of 100 candies packaged. So 4 boxes of 25. That would be 100. I'm going to subtract those. I have 9 left. So I can't do any more boxes of 25. I'm going to go down to boxes of size 5. Well, I could have 5. And then I can't do any more because the next would be 10. So I can only have 1 box of 5. So now I'm left with 4. I'm going to put a 1 digit there because I only had 1 box of 5. I have 4 single candies left, and I'm going to have to package them in those unit boxes. So I'm going to use 4 unit boxes, and I'm going to then have no left over. So my number 484 base 10 in base 5 is 3414 B5. Let's do another example. 87 base 10, this time we're going to base 4. So just like we did before, let's write out our place values. So 4 to the 0 is 1, 4 to the first power is 4, 4 to the second power is 16, 4 to the third power is 64, and 4 to the fourth power would be 216. Well, 216 is too big. We can't use any of those boxes, but we could use a box of 64. So if we use a box of 64, we could do 87 minus 64, and we would end up with 23 left over. Well, we can't use any more of those boxes, so just one of those boxes. Now we have 23 left. We can do one box of 16, and we would have 7 left. So we're going to write one box of 16. Now we have 7. We can do one box of 4, and we would have 3 left. And then our last one, we would have 3 boxes, 3 unit boxes, and we would have none remaining. So our answer would be 1, 1, 1, 3, B4. And that would be 87 base 10 converted to base 4. Let's do one more. 85 base 10 to base 7. So this time we're going to write our place values out for 7. So 7 to the 0 is 1. 7 to the first power is 7. 7 to the second power is 49. 7 to the third power is 343. I wrote those above instead of below. I'm going to correct that. So there's our place values. Now I'm going to try to package these candies. So I can't fit any boxes of size 343, but I can fit one box of 49. So 85 minus 49. So 85 minus 49 would give us 36 left. So how many 7s fit in 36? There would be 5 boxes because 7 times 5 is 35. So 36 minus 35, we would have 1 left over. And then that would mean we would have 1 unit box. So 1, 5, 1 base 7 is the equivalent of 85 base 10. I hope that helped you understand converting from base 10 to different bases. Thanks for watching.